here are some of the trades we had yesterday within the Telegram channel. Let's check out some of the trading results so that we will know what we actually achieved yesterday using the same trading strategy which I will be revealing to us in today's video. So this is GainX 1200, and of course right here I am on 15-minute time frame, and you can see this actually got to this resistance zone, and of course we had our entry point when it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. This is our entry point, this is our stop loss, and right here are some highlighted TPs for us. TP 1, 2, 3, 4. We only had 4 TPs for us right here, which was gracefully achieved yesterday. Okay, we were able to achieve all the TPs on this yesterday. Here is another one. This is GainX 999, also on 15-minute time frame. This happened to be our entry point and of course our stop loss. And you can see the way it traded. This TP achieved, and right here just achieved the last TP. So that's so amazing, guys. So okay, that's another setup for okay, guys, this is another one. This is FX volume 80. This is the entry point and the support zone, which is the stop loss. Okay, and right there are some of the highlighted TPs. Actually, we've been on this for like 3 days, almost a week right now. Okay, yeah, almost a week right now, and you can see the way it traded till it got to this particular region. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. So, guys, if you are willing to make profitable trades like this, okay, all you just need to do is just for you to watch this video to the end so that you will understand how it works and how you too can generate profitable signals for yourself like this. Okay, and of course you can also be generating something like this for your community. So this is very, very important, and you can reach out to me. Let's discuss on how you can go about it. Okay, now quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Before we go fully, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp, most especially if the question is related to the trading tool I'm using. Okay, so you send message to me directly through WhatsApp. Now let's go straight into what we have right here. So what we have been using is a trend trading strategy. I remember when it was at the support zone and we had this switching. Okay, in most cases we always want to check out where the switching will be taking place. Okay, so once you are able to identify that, you just need to wait for that period. Immediately it switch, you set up your order and you trade it to the end. Okay, and the same thing is what we also experienced right there. Immediately it switch, we set our order, our stop loss, our entry point, and of course highlighted TPs, and we achieved all this. Now let's see what we are most likely, and a setup that is going on right now which you too can also benefit from. So this is PainX 1200 on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so just like you know, whenever you sell PainX, you are trading the spiky part of PainX. Okay, so and as for me, I don't try to catch the spike, I trade the spike. So this is what I do. I only enter for it whenever is in the right trend. Okay, so this has gotten to the resistance zone and it has not been able to break out from there. So we got the switching around there. It switched from an uptrend into a downtrend at this point, and we got a sell signal right there. So I quickly set up my entry point and of course my stop loss, and I highlighted some TPs for myself. First of all, I'm expecting it to get to this region. Maybe I should change the color of this so that we all we see it. Okay, I'm just going to give it this color so that we will understand. So this is where I'm expecting it to get to first because of this. Okay, however, I am also expecting it to break out from here. Okay, so if it breaks out from here, then I have other TPs which I want to achieve right here. Okay, so this is the entry point, this is the stop loss. TP 1 and 2 have been achieved, so I'm still expecting it to sell more so that I can achieve all that TPs. Okay, so I am expecting it to get to this particular spot. Okay, however, this is the first place I wanted to get to first. Okay, so and it's almost getting there because of this. So I don't know if it will have to pull back after that, but if it breaks out from here, which I am expecting, as in I am expecting to break out from here, I am sure once that happens, then it should be able to achieve the rest of these TPs. Okay, this is the next 1200. So you too can also benefit from it if you have not done this setup before. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's check out other assets that is giving us, that is looking promising for us this weekend. Okay, because I want us to make some good money for ourselves this weekend. Okay, so let's see, guys. Um, this is also another one. Right here is the support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's switching to an uptrend. But because of this area, I decided to put the entry point at this point, and of course, our stop loss somewhere here. Then I have some highlighted TPs right here. So TP 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just starting, so you guys can take advantage of it. Okay, and TP 5. But first, I am expecting to get to this region first. If it breaks out from here, then it should get to this particular spot. Okay, so you guys can also take advantage of all this right from there. Okay, so and of course, guys, let's see. Okay, okay, so these are the two major assets which we are looking at today, that we are hoping that it will give us big profit at the end of the day. Okay, so I will still do more analysis with all other assets and drop the trading signal within the Telegram channel. So if you are not in the Telegram channel, I will advise you to join right now so that you can benefit from all these signals. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you. And if you have any question, guys, you can drop your question for me right there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will always be there to reply you. Okay, so watch out for my next video, guys. Thank you.